Fidgeting shows curiosity, excitement, or nervousness.
Small routines like this give her comfort and clarity. Even a small laugh can reveal what brightens her day. Doodling helps her process emotions and thoughts quietly. Small gestures like this show she cares about how she presents herself. Even a small laugh can reveal what brightens her day. Doodling helps her process emotions and thoughts quietly. She rereads messages to make sure every word feels right. Girls smile more when their crush texts late at night. Girls often twirl their hair when they're lost in thought. A light pen tap can mean she's excited or curious. Small gestures like this show she cares about how she presents herself. Doodling isn't random. It's a way she processes feelings and ideas. Small routines, like sipping tea, bring her comfort and clarity.
She smells at memories because she treasures moments, not just people.
She tilts her head to truly feel the music. It's her little escape. Touching textures can make her feel comforted and present in the moment. She rereads texts because she wants every word to matter. Girls often connect emotionally with objects. They remember feelings, not just facts.
She's careful about how she presents herself because she values the impression she leaves.
Fidgeting shows curiosity, excitement, or a hint of nervousness. Girls often recharge quietly. They show strength in calm moments. Girls smile more when their crush texts late at night. Girls unconsciously copy gestures of people they like. Girls often play with their hair when they're lost in thought or daydreaming. A subtle pen tap can mean she's excited or thinking about someone special. Girls notice tiny details in how they look, and they want to feel confident, not just pretty.